Hello everyone, welcome to Globally Mag. In today's video, we are going to learn about Mentimeter. Yes, a very interesting, interactive online presentation tool that is being utilized by many teachers around the globe as well as by many professionals around the globe to ensure that they create online surveys, online poll, and make sure that all the audience with where they are presenting they are being engaged, or you can also call the Mentimeter as an icebreaker for any event that you are going with. So before starting the video, if this is the first time you have come to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe Globally Mag, hit the bell notification icon, and share your feedback. So moving towards our tutorial, in today's video we are going to learn about how to create your very own first presentation on Mentimeter. This is a very basic Mentimeter tutorial guide in which we are going to learn how to create a very basic presentation and how to make sure that your user access the Mentimeter and share their feedback. It's a very interesting thing to do, especially if you are teaching at some place, if you are doing some kind of training online or physical training and you want to have an icebreaker, then Mentimeter provide you with all those facilities. Mentimeter makes sure that the voice of each and every audience is being heard and everyone is being participating in the meeting as well as if they are participating in the tutorial. So let's move over to Mentimeter. When you go over to Mentimeter, they are going to ask you about your email address, and you can opt for your Gmail address and can sign up Mentimeter with your Gmail account. They are going to provide you a very free basic account which will have all the necessary requirements that a basic account has. So you won't need to spend any amount on it, but if your requirements are high and if you want to have more advanced level presentations, then you can opt for upgrade as well. So let's start our basic presentation, and let me create a criteria for you where you are in a training hall and you are providing training to your students or colleagues, and it's been 2.5 hour very hectic session, and you are seeing that people with very lazy faces and they are not being so much participative in the event, and you seem that everyone seems distracted, and you want to have an icebreaker and you want everyone to participate in that. Well, Mentimeter provides you with that option. So let's get started with our Mentimeter tutorial, and let's create our own very first presentation on Mentimeter. So I'm going to click the new presentation, and here it is going to provide you with multiple options to choose from. You can opt for many different questions, many different options within the questions, and have multiple slides. So basically, each slides contain a single question. So they provide you with options of popular question types. You have multiple choice, word clouds, ranking, scales, open-ended, and Q&A. So for this very basic presentation, I'm going to go out with scales. Let's see that if I say that I'm going to put in a question that how you rate today's session, and I'm going to ask all the participants in the hall to participate in this, and I'm going to just put in some interesting statements: boring, lively, refreshing. So this is how my slide look, and this is the basic question, and I'm going to ask my audience, and in order to make sure that my audience participate in this, Mentimeter provides you with live option. So all you need to do is that after you create this slide, you will ask your class or your colleagues to go to menti.com and use the code 81422177, and participate in this session. This is an icebreaker. It is going to tell the feedback of all the audience, and when everyone will provide their answers, you will get to know that how much people are engaged. So as you can see that there are two options, either strongly disagree or either strongly agree. So I'm going to hit the present option and it is going to go live. As you can see that the presentation is live, and in order for me to participate or any other person to participate in this, all they need to do is go to menti.com and use the code 81422177. So let's just open a browser in incognito window, and I'm going to go to menti.com. As you can see that they ask you for a code. The code is 81422177, and I'm going to hit the submit. It is going to provide me with the question. So the question is clearly stated, how you rate today's session, and I am given the three options: boring, lively, refreshing, and I have the scale strongly agree or disagree. So let's say I'm going to hit boring. I'm going to take it to 5 and just hit the submit button, and you will see immediately one answer being shown over here. So you can see that you have received one answer. Here you can also see you have received one answer, and all this thing is being shown live. So if you are in a session where 50 or 60% are there, all of them are going to just participate in this, and you will see a very refreshing result. So this is how easy it is for you to use Mentimeter and tailor it according to your needs. You can create an online survey, you can create a live presentation, you can create a poll, you can create a feedback, you can ask for different opinions of your session. So Mentimeter provides you with an interactive session, a live session that you can use for. And all in all, if the training ends, you can also download the results in PDF format and then share it with the audience as well. So this is how easy it is to use Mentimeter. And today we'll learn how to create your very first presentation on Mentimeter. So in the end, do not forget to subscribe to Globally Mag, hit the bell notification icon, and share your feedback so that we can keep on making interesting videos in the future. Thank you. Have a good day.